What is going on, guys? Josh here with Josh and Hunter's Adventures. Hunter is with us. It is early in the morning, about probably right at 6 o'clock. Guys, we're the only one here at the boat ramp. The only one. Look at that, the sun coming up, guys. Look how pretty. Just absolutely amazing. Guys, we're gonna try to see if we can catch a few. We came out yesterday evening, did pretty good. We're gonna try to catch them again, guys. You guys stick with us. We'll see y'all on the water. Got him. That was a good one. Hunter had a really nice one. I mean, pretty much on like the first cast. We always, if there's nobody here, we always try to throw right here around this ramp because they lay right here on these ramps. As you can see, something's chasing right there.
Is it the shad spawn?
Yeah. That was a good one. I got him. Come loose. I got him that time. About time. Not a big one. Not a big one, bud. Got him. Little smallmouth, guys. A lot of little fish today. He's almost as big as the bait. I got him. Okay, guys, this is a dink fest so far. Wow. Well, that is 3, but they're about the size of the spook. Holy moly. Well, got too excited there. You know, I tell Hunter all the time, don't jerk it away from him, bud. It's hard. Definitely is hard. That one I didn't jerk it away from, and he didn't even eat it. I got him that time, guys. They're very, very small, guys. I mean, they're all about the same size. Just little bitty mean spots. Yeah. I got him, guys. Better fish. Come off. And alive, my hookup ratio has not been good. I got him, bud. Freaking big one. Oh my gosh. What you got? What is it? Sunfish? Holy cow.
It has eggs. That is huge.
Wow.
I mean, that eat a chatterbait.
That's pretty.
Feel it, how heavy.
Wow. Look how pretty, guys. Where'd you catch it? Right there?
Yeah, it just went under. That's a bald eagle.
I'll be daggone, but it is. Be real quiet. Let's see if we can get up there. There it is. Bald eagle, guys. Holy cow. Absolutely unreal. What you got, bud? Spot. All right.
He's gonna be a spaz.
Good job, bud. Sorry I didn't get it the exact hook set on camera. Got him. Slow down, slow down. I'm trying, I promise. Stay on your side. Take your time. Okay, I'm trying, buddy. If you can slowly bring you up.
Choked it.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me over there.
See him, bud. Hold him up there again. Beautiful fish.
He's been hit.
Yeah.
Well, it. I don't know if I should do this one with this one.
He might do it. There he goes. Good job, buddy. Give me some. Maybe we can pick up a couple more going down through here. Yeah. I got him too, bud. Freaking good one, Hunter. Oh my, bud.
5?
No, but a good one.
What if that's the female?
Man, this poor fish.
What? Been caught a lot.
Look how many times.
My goodness. I bet you he's mad.
Oh my gosh, look at the shad in his mouth.
Are you gonna get those out?
No, he can have them. Guys, look at the shad in this fish's mouth.
That's 3.
Listen, bud, he's not friendly.
Well, neither am I to fishies.
Hold him up in the sun just a little bit. Crazy, guys. I mean, they are eating shad like crazy right now. Let's see, hold him up, bud. Well, they just spit up a shad right here. All right, just set him down in the water real easy like. Hold on to him a minute. Just hold on to him a minute.
And there went a shad too.
And he spit it up.
Still has another one.
Right here off this bluff, I cast it right up against it, and I seen him roll, and the bait went, and whew. They're really eating a chatterbait right now. Hopefully they keep it up. Hunter, you crack me up. You're fishing and a butterfly goes by and you're like, ooh, butterfly. I mean, I'm just like, what are you doing? And then you pull a move like that. I mean, look over there, Hunter, he's just fishing. He makes a cast, he's reeling, you know, and real concentrated. Butterfly flies by and he's like, oh, butterfly. Oh, wow.
Well, it was a butterfly. See, there's a birdie.
Yeah. His attention span there was very small. That's funny. Yeah, skipped it right underneath there too. I think so. Man, this poor guy, I want you to look how many times he's been caught. I swear, man, I caught him right over here in the jaw. That fish, he must not be very smart. Look at that. Man, he's a fat little spot. He's a mouse, guys. Man, poor thing. He has really been through it. Let's let him go right here, bud.
That broke his jawbone. Just don't run.
He gone. They ain't big, boys. We're still catching them. 31. Good night, boys. I cannot freaking believe they are chewing this good. I'll push off just a little bit. Let's let him go right here, okay? All right, ready? All right, guys, we're done. It is hot. It is 12:30. I don't know how many fish we caught, but we caught a bunch. They weren't no big giant ones, but we caught, you know, quite a few, you know, small spots, but enough to keep us occupied. So we fished from, like I said, daylight till it's 12:30 right now. But guys, if you like this video, go down and give us a thumbs up. leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys think. We caught them on chatterbaits and spooks, so it's a pretty good day. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, go down and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell. That way you know next time we put out a video, guys. Thanks to all my subscribers now. This is Josh and Hunter. Thanks for watching Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We'll see you next time, guys.